Vice Cosmetics launched their BLURRFECTION skin tint noong September 21, pero ngayon ko lang siya guys na try. So I'm so excited to share with you my thoughts on these babies. Yung BLURRFECTION skin tint is formulated with 2-star ingredients. So meron silang grapeseed oil and macadamia oil, and that will help moisturize and nourish your skin while you're wearing these BLURRFECTION skin tints. It has a sheer buildable coverage. Yung sheer coverage really works well for people who have really nice skin or if you have light acne marks or hyperpigmentation on your skin. However, if meron kayong deep acne marks, the more intense kind of discoloration on your skin, then don't expect this product to be able to cover that because it only has a sheer coverage. It is buildable, yes, but it can only cover so much. They are currently offering 6 shades for this product. So we have in Fair, Freshnezzz, Queen, Binibini, Stan, and Diosa. At first, guys, akala ko talaga yung shade ko is Binibini. Dahil yung Binibini has a medium or warm neutral undertone in it. Pero apparently, when I swatched it kanina sa neck ko, I match well with the shade Freshnezzz. So yung Freshnezzz is light medium, neutral cool undertone siya. Normally guys, I'm not the light medium type of girl. I'm usually the medium girl, okay? Kaya nagulat ako na nung na-swatch ko siya kanina, Freshnezzz. But buti na lang na-swatch ko siya. And buti na lang so that for you guys to be able to know. So baka akala nyo din, if we have the same skin color, you would automatically assume that you're in Binibini. If you need other foundation references, so from MAC, I am an NC30, and sa Fenty Beauty Pro Filter naman, I am a 235. If nagkamali kayo sa shade na binili nyo, for example, yung shade mo is Freshnezzz, but you bought a shade lighter or deeper than your actual shade, yung maganda dito, dahil sheer coverage siya, medyo madadaya mo siya dahil hindi kitang-kita agad yung color. Whereas, if yung product has a medium or especially full coverage, if you bought a shade lighter or deeper, makikita mo talaga yung difference on your skin. But with sheer coverage products, not so much. So you can get away with it. If I had my skin before, na medyo madami acne marks and medyo intense yung acne marks ko talaga kasi guys before I know na hindi ko talaga magugustuhan yung BLURRFECTION dahil it won't work for my needs. But ngayon, now that my skin has improved, thank you so much to Aplasca Clinic. If you guys are in Bacolod, I really recommend that you go check out Aplasca because it has really improved my skin. Okay, so I don't struggle now with acne marks as much as I did before, and it has been such a big help. Now I can say that I can sport the BLURRFECTION skin tint with much confidence, and I actually really prefer it compared sa mga medium to full coverage products, especially for an everyday wear kasi napaka-comfortable suotin yung BLURRFECTION skin tint. And also what I like about this is na-even out niya talaga yung unevenness sa skin ko. And by unevenness, I mean yung mga areas na medyo tan yung skin, like tan patches. Also, yung mga areas na veiny, kagaya nito. And also here. Also, my light acne marks na cover niya rin and na-even out. But of course, there's still some that it's peeking through dahil of the nature of its coverage. But other than that, I really like how it looks on my skin. Also, yung gustong-gusto ko dito is that my skin's texture is shining through. It doesn't look foundation-y or cakey on the face. Not at all. Also, hindi siya nag-crease on my under eyes and on the laugh lines. It's just very light. Also, yung na-notice ko sa performance ng product na to is that you don't need to wear powder on top of this, especially when you're on the beach. So, maganda to if you want to achieve that natural dewy finish kind of look. You'll be able to achieve that with this one. Although, it's not something that I would recommend for people here in the city because we have to wear masks, and yung mask talaga, it will easily melt off products that are not set with powder or aren't matte. Again, I would only recommend this to people who have clear skin or people who have light acne marks. Pero if you have intense or deep acne marks, then I recommend that you find base products that has medium to full coverage. So So that's it for my BLURRFECTION review. If gusto niyo pang tumambay dito sa channel ko, I have my playlist here ready for you to marathon. Pero beware lang guys kasi mabubudol talaga kayo. If you like this video, then please do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. If you have any more comments or video suggestions, then please do enter them down in the comment section below. Just remember, no hate, just love.